Hello people, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make this trending frame hand to attach to george, lace or any material at all. To begin, get a fascinator, double it into two, fold like this and sew the material you have already cut tiny round the four edges. By tiny I mean 1.5 inches wide. Also sew it at the middle. You can use a sewing bone in place of material to make it stand more. So this is how a sewing bone looks like. Now this is the fascinator. After sewing, get the material you want to wrap the fascinator with. Place the fascinator on it and sew the edges. Only the two edges. Now place the fascinator inside the material. Hold it like this. Adjust the fascinator to balance it inside the material. Now to iron, get a light towel, soak it with water, squeeze out the water and place it on it to iron. You can still add to the fascinator to make it wider or use a smaller one. So that is all you have to do to make this trending hand. Please subscribe, share the video and feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.